you know you can actually get 1,000 subscribers without uploading any video here on YouTube? Yes, this is actually a new feature I just found out on YouTube. Like of recent, like I just found out this feature and it's very crazy. It's blowing my mind. If you look now right here, I've gotten over 800 plus subscriber and it's still counting by using this feature. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new feature and how to use it in order to get subscribers and views. And first of all, before we go into this video, I want you to know that if you have not updated your YouTube app, you need to update it, because the only way for you to access this feature is for you to update your YouTube app. So first thing first, you need to go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store to update your YouTube app. Then after that, and also that's why you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because if you miss any part of this video, it's not going to work for you. So I want you to stay tuned, and don't also forget to subscribe, share and like this video. So let's go straight into the video. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to come over to your YouTube Studio and click on that plus icon. Then you are going to go to short. Then when you go to short, then you click on this icon here. They are going to see AI play background. You are going to see a lot of videos, a lot of trending videos with trending sound. I are going to use this video. If you use any of them, you are going to recreate this video. That's what I mean. This is going to help you to recreate this video. You are going to get in a lot of views, a lot of subscribers. This is a new feature on YouTube, and I know a lot of people have not seen it. If you have seen this feature, I want you to leave it in the comment section. Tell me whether you knew this feature before now. So just go to the code. They are going to click on create a video. So now you can see it's already generated the prompt for us. So you are just going to click on it for you to create the video, and you're going to upload it on your YouTube page or your YouTube short. In that way, you're going to see yourself getting a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and this is what I am doing. And in case you don't want to, so we're just going to wait for it to create. That's just it. So I'm just going to give you some time. It's going to load and stuff like that. So if you're watching to this point, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, leave a like and share this video so that a lot of people are going to benefit. And I don't leave the video yet. There's something I still want to show you. It's very, very important. If you don't watch, if you don't stay up to that point, then you might not still have the result. So we're just going to wait for it to create our video. We're just going to give it a little time, and it's going to be, so we're going to be done. So, and again, this method can work for any channel. You can use any of the video you want. So you can work whether any channel you are doing, you can just use it to get your first 1,000 subscriber. So now it's done creating our video. So we're just going to wait for it to load. I think the network is kind of bad here. So we're just going to wait for it to load.
All
okay,
right, here
this
we
is
go.
it. This is our video. So now I have created that exact same video. So what you just need to do now is just to give it a title. You can use the title of the video, or you can give it your own title. Whichever way you want, it's still fine. It's still cool. So we're going to click on next. Yes, that next thing. You're going to click on next. Then we're just going to give it a title, any title of our choice. Let's just say how I did this. Okay, you can just, or how I joined, whatever way, just put it the title, and you can add in your hashtag if you want. Yes, it's always advisable you add in your hashtag. So we are just going to add some hashtag, like hashtag viral, hashtag, just some hashtag that go, so that's going to help YouTube to push the video more. So that's what we're going to do. And now let me tell you, in case you don't want to use that video, in case you want to use your face, in case of maybe you are afraid of YouTube removing your video or getting your account banned, you can use your face. You just come here and click on photo to video. That's what you do. You're going to click on it in case you want to use your face, like your normal face. You understand? So you're just going to click on photo to video. Then you are going to just look for any photo, any of your picture. So we're just going to look for any picture. So we're just going to scroll down and look for a picture Okay, I think I'm going to go with this one. So now you're going to give it a prompt, like what you want to be saying, like what you want your video to be all about. So just give it a prompt and it's going to help you to create the video. You can see how beautiful this thing is. It's very easy. Like you don't have to shoot any video. You can just use stay on your bed, your smartphone, and start creating videos. It's actually very easy, and a lot of people are using this method to grow their channel, to get to their first 1,000 subscribers. I have a lot of my students, they are also doing it. Me too, I'm also doing it. So it's very easy. This is actually very cool. So we're just going to wait for it to load, and it's going to like create the video for us. It's no much thing here. Okay, it's loading. So we're just going to wait for it. Okay, now, yeah, our video is now ready.
To get more views on YouTube, focus on creating high-quality thumbnails, optimizing your titles with relevant keywords, and engaging your audience through consistent and compelling video content.
Just like an
To get more views on YouTube,
so we're going to click on continue.
To get more views on YouTube, focus.
So we're going to click on next. Then we're going to give it a title like the way we usually do it. So we're just going to give me say how to get more views on YouTube. Then you can put in your hashtag if you want, and that. Now let me tell you this advantage and disadvantage of using this feature. One of the advantage of using the AI feature of not using your face is that you are going to get more reach, like you are going to get more subscriber, more views, more like if you don't use your own face, if you use the video there. That's one of the advantage. Then the disadvantage is that nowadays YouTube is removing a lot of creators account, like because of use of AI and use of a lot of inauthentic content. Because if you to find out that a lot of people are using this thing, they are going to start like demonetizing a lot of channel, removing a lot of channel. So the advantage of using this one is that your account is not going to be demonetized or banned. So the best thing I would advise is that you are going to use it to get to your first 1,000 subscriber. That's what you are going to do. Once you reach your first 1,000 subscriber, you stop doing this. So you're just going to private your video. So now we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, I want you to do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, like this video, share this video to so many people out there so that a lot of people are going to benefit from this video. And also I want us to get to 1K subscribers. So if you have not yet subscribed, I want you to do me to subscribe so that we're able to hit 1K subscriber. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Till I see you. Peace out.